Did you know that a single shadow from a sailboat's mast can actually drop a traditional solar panel's power output by nearly 90%? It's a frustrating reality for many mariners, but the tech we're looking at today is changing that game forever. Whether you are living the van life dream or navigating the open seas, staying powered up without a noisy generator is the ultimate goal. In this video, we are breaking down the top marine solar panels of 2026 to see which ones actually survive the salt, spray, and shade. All the links are in the description below, so you can check out the latest pricing as we go. Let's get in future-proof choice for weekend warriors who need maximum juice from a small footprint. All the links are in the description below. Number 5. Star 400 Watt Full Screen Solar Panel. If you hate climbing onto your roof to scrub off bird droppings and dust, then the Star 400 Watt solar panel is going to be your new favorite piece of tech. The full screen design is a total revolution. They've removed that raised aluminum lip that usually sits around the edge of a panel. On a normal panel, that lip traps water and dirt, creating hot spots that can eventually kill your cells. With this frameless architecture, the rain just washes everything right off the edge, making it virtually maintenance-free. Performance-wise, you're looking at a 25% efficiency rating that can generate up to 15% more power over its lifespan compared to traditional framed panels that get bogged down by dirt. When you put this up against the industry-standard Renogy 400 watt kits, the Star panels win on cleanliness and long-term yield because they stay cleaner for longer without you lifting a finger. The 10 busbar configuration and tempered glass make it incredibly tough against heavy snow or high winds, which is perfect if you're docking in harsher climates. However, because it's a frameless design, you do have to be a bit more careful during the install to avoid stressing the edges, and it does come with a slightly higher price tag. But honestly, for full-time travelers, the set and forget nature of these panels is worth every extra penny. Would you pay a bit more to never have to clean your solar panels again? I'd love to hear your thoughts. It's the ultimate high-efficiency, low-hassle investment for serious off-gridders. All the links are in the description below. Number 4. Renogy 100 Watt Flexible Solar Panel. For those of you with curved boat decks or teardrop trailers where a flat glass panel just won't fit, the Renogy 100 Watt Flexible Solar Panel is the answer to your prayers. This thing is incredibly thin, only 0.1 inches, and it can flex up to 248 degrees, allowing it to hug the curves of your vehicle perfectly. It's a specialized tool that weighs only 4 pounds, which is about 70% lighter than a rigid panel. That weight saving is huge for maintaining your boat's performance or your van's fuel economy. Under the hood, or rather, under the ETFE lamination, it features 22% efficient monocrystalline cells. That ETFE coating is a big deal because it's way more durable and stain resistant than the cheaper PET plastic used on budget flexible panels. When you compare it to the high-end SunPower flexible panels, Renogy gives you almost the same performance but at a price that won't break the bank. Just keep in mind that because these sit flush against the surface, they don't get the same airflow as tilted panels, so they can run a bit hotter in the summer. Also, flexible panels generally don't last as long as glass ones because they are more prone to micro-cracking over years of vibration. But for a stealthy, low-profile look that fits where nothing else can, this is a market leader for a reason. Do any of you prefer the look of flexible panels over the bulky, rigid ones? Drop a comment below. It's the top-tier choice for anyone prioritizing aesthetics and aerodynamics. All the links are in the description below. Number 3. BougeRV Arch 200 watts Fiberglass Flexible Panel. If you love the idea of a flexible panel, but are worried about them being too flimsy, the BougeRV Arch 200 watts fiberglass panel is the heavy-duty upgrade you've been looking for. Unlike standard flexible panels that use a plastic backing, this one uses a dual-layer fiberglass core. This makes the panel way tougher and protects the cells from the micro-cracks that usually kill flexible panels. It's also got a massive 270-degree bending radius, which is even better than the Renogy model we just talked about, meaning it can wrap around even tighter curves. With a 23% efficiency rating and 10 busbar technology, it's designed to pump out serious power even if it gets a little bit of shade. In a marine setting, this is a pro choice because the fiberglass resists the delamination and bubbling that saltwater can cause in cheaper models. When compared to the Renogy 200-watt flexible options, the BougeRV Arch is clearly built for a longer life, though you will pay a premium for that added durability. The IP68 waterproof rating means it can handle a direct hit from a wave without breaking a sweat. One thing to watch out for is that once you stick this down with high-strength adhesive, it's not coming off easily, so make sure your placement is perfect. It's a set-and-forget solution for people who have been burned by cheap flexible panels in the past. Is the extra durability of fiberglass worth the higher price for your setup? Let me know. This is the gold standard for high-capacity power on irregular surfaces. All the links are in the description below. Number 2. WERCHTAY Bifacial 200-watt solar panel kit. Looking for a way to get free extra power from your boat deck or RV roof? The WERCHTAY Bifacial 200-watt kit is a brilliant entry-level solution that uses double-sided cells to capture light on both the front and the back. If you mount these on a reflective surface, like a white gel coat boat deck or a light-colored RV roof, the back of the panel picks up the reflected sunlight, giving you a bifacial gain of up to 15% extra energy. That's like getting a free boost just for having a white roof. This kit is a complete all-in-one package, coming with a 10-ampere PWM controller, Z-brackets, and all the cables you need to get started today. The cells are grade A+ monocrystalline with a 24 to 26% efficiency, and the 12 bus bar half-cut design means it handles partial shade much better than older styles. Compared to the Renogy bifacial kits, WERCHTAY is much more budget-friendly and gives you more accessories for your money, making it perfect for DIY beginners. Just remember that to get that extra backside power, you need to mount them with a small gap so light can actually get underneath. The included controller is a bit basic, so if you're a hardcore power user, you might eventually want to swap it for an MPPT model, but for weekend camping or keeping your boat batteries topped up, this kit is unbeatable value. Who else is a fan of bifacial tech for that extra boost? Tell me your experience in the comments. It's the smartest way to maximize your footprint without spending a fortune. All the links are in the description below. Number 1. Callsun N-Type 16BB 400 watts bifacial kit. Finally, at number 1, we have the heavy hitter for 2026, the Callsun N-Type 16BB 400 watts bifacial solar panel kit. This is the prosumer choice for anyone who needs the absolute most power possible from their limited roof or deck space. It combines almost every piece of high-end tech we've discussed today. N-type cells for 25% efficiency, bifacial capability for up to 30% total power gain, and a massive 16 bus bar design. But the real killer feature is the twin-cell anti-shade technology. Because the panels use a dual-module parallel design, if a shadow covers the bottom half of the panel, the top half keeps working at 100% capacity. In the world of marine solar, where shadows from masts and antennas are everywhere, this can literally double your daily energy harvest. Compared to the Renogy Shadow Flux, the Callsun offers a higher bus bar count and a better temperature coefficient, meaning it stays cooler and more efficient when the sun is absolutely punishing. It's built like a tank, withstanding heavy snow and wind, though they are a bit heavier than your average 100-watt panels. To really unlock the beastly potential of these panels, you'll definitely want a high-end MPPT controller. This is the ultimate investment for full-time travelers who refuse to compromise on power. Does the anti-shade technology make this a winner for your boat or van? I think it's a total game changer. All the links are in the description below. That wraps up our look at the best marine solar panels for 2026. From self-cleaning screens to double-sided power generation, the tech is moving fast. If this breakdown helped you figure out your off-grid setup, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. What's the one feature you can't live without in your solar setup? Let's chat in the comments. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.